I cut the styrofoam with the hot wire technique. I produce parts for the horizontal stabilizer with the elevator and the vertical stabilizer with rudder. Once the pieces are ready, I get to the bench to cover them with carbon fiber. I mix the epoxy with glass bubbles to create the slurry. I spread it over the surface of the foam to smoothen all the imperfections. I lay the cloth down and align it with the trailing edge. I have to be very careful because carbon fiber is super easy to distort the fibers. Next, I turn the piece around and do the same to the other side. Masking tape on the edges of the cloth really help to retain its shape. I leave the leading edge exposed. It is too hard to wrap the carbon fiber around corners like that. That's why I'm gonna wrap it with fiberglass. I make sure that the layup stays saturated with epoxy. At last I wrap everything in peel ply and then plastic on top. The peel ply layer will save me some sanding and the plastic layer isolates the epoxy from touching my bench. I repeat the exact same process for all the parts. I'm almost ready to put the tail together. That's all for today, and more coming soon.